Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about Cauchy-Euler differential equation. So I will put about yc equals to t to the power of n. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have nt to the power of n minus 1. If we do second derivative of this one, we have n minus 1 t to the power of n minus 2. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, t squared and t to the power of n minus 2, we have t to the power of n. Similar for the next one. Next, we can do about factorization by t to the power of n. So we put this one equals to number 0. And now we need to expand this one. So we have n squared minus n, negative 4n, we have negative 5n. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have n equal to number 3 and n equals to number 2. So we have the final answer. So we have y equals to c number 1, t to the power of n. So we change n into number 3, and we have c number 2, t to the power of number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.